guys, I'm about to show you the noise that I'm talking about. The noise that I'm talking about is coming from this area right here. Right here by the crank. So if you guys think you have a good idea of what might be going on here, just let me know. Thanks.